Okay, let's see if this works better. So if you're coming from Lethbridge, that's this highway 3 right there. First light's coming into Tabor, you hang a left. And you go this way, and you keep going. The road starts to descend right here into the park. Let me zoom in. Okay, so it descends, and then don't turn right there, but there's a big sign here that says MD Park. So you go down into the park. Yeah, here we go. And then there's a left in there. The campground's over here, but if you take this left, it leads you through, like there's a camp kitchen there or something. But keep going, and then you'll turn left again. And there's more camping sites here. But you keep going past that, and over here there's two group sites. There's a group A site and a group B site, and we're in the A site right there. You may not be able to get right to the A site, so you can park. You can't park on the grass, but there's a bit of parking over here somewhere, I think. Or you can also park back at that camp kitchen. It's only a couple 100 meters to the group A site. And that's where we start, and then we head south, just sort of show you the route. We head south, and we cross this road, and then we come up in here somewhere, go along here a little bit, come back down, and then go up, and anyway, we go way over there, and then come back here, and that loops about 6K. Oh no, we come back here somewhere, and then coming back, that's a whole 6K. If we don't come back, if we do the whole thing, then we keep going this way, and we've got another 6K loop over there. So it's about 12.5K total. Hopefully that helps.